A very good morning to all of you students. Today I am Bhagirath sir going to teach you decimals, and in previous class also we had read something about this chapter. Okay, now we solve exercise 41. Here you have to add and subtract the decimals. Okay, so how would you add any decimals number? Okay, so I have taken one example, that is exercise 41. Okay, a number, that is second a. There are given four decimal numbers, but these are not like decimals. First, we will change the decimal number into like decimal, then you can add okay, only then you can't means have any mistake. So now, that is, here decimal place given, maximum decimal place, there is 3, it is 3, but here for 1 it is 2 and 1 also. So first change into like decimals place 1, and there if I put 20, it becomes 3 decimal place 7.8910 and 0.365. okay, and here 104.6, and if we put 20, it becomes 3 decimal place. Okay, all converted, now all converts into like decimal place. Now we can write in a column form or whatever. If you have a problem, then first write. Now how do you write? First we write a decimal and then 18 decimal 400. Now first we write here decimal and then 7. Okay, and now 890. Now first we write decimal, and before decimal 0 and 365. Now decimal first write, then 401, here 4, then 0, then 1. Okay, and 600. All the decimals should be in a same line. Now add here from right to left, 5000, now 9 and 6, 15, and 4, 8, 12, 15. We have 4, 8, 12, and 3, 15, and 6, 21, and 1, 22. And we have 2 and full decimal, and 2 plus 8, 10, plus 7, 17, plus 4, 17, plus 4, 21. Okay, now we have 2 also, 2 plus 1, 3, and that is 1. 133.255. Here you have to keep in mind that all the decimals should be placed in a line, and then after, before the decimal, write the number, and after decimal write. First convert into like decimal, then you will you may not make any mistakes. Okay, I hope you got it. First we convert into like decimal, then you arrange this way, and you can do now. Okay, now I take one more example. It is the subtraction, fifth number question, that is subtract 7.83 from 21.7. Okay, how will you subtract? Subtract this one from this. 21.7. So this is bigger. From which one is written with from? We have to write first 21.7. Now write 7.83. 7. First write the decimal, and before the decimal 7, after decimal 8 and 3. There is nothing, you can put 0. Now subtract 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3, that is 7, and it became 6. It means 16 minus 8, 8, and it is 0. It means 10. 10 minus 7, that is 3, and here 1. 13.87. This is the answer. With from, which is written with from, we have to write first, and then this number we have to write this way, and we can do. Okay. Now you can do that. Some more example I take. In simplifier, both are given. Seven number question, that is simplifier, where both are given same. 63.8 plus 14.37 minus 28.609 minus 9.07. This is the question. Okay. So this type of question, first find out the negative numbers and the positive numbers. Which one are negative numbers and which one are positive numbers? Now you know there is minus 9.07 minus 28.609. It means both are negative numbers. Before the number, the symbols are given, that would be included. Okay. Now that is positive number, plus is given, also there is nothing, it means there it is positive number. Both are positive number and both are negative number. Okay. So first add both. You can write 63.8 and 14.37. We can put 0. First we convert it into the like decimal and add both. Okay. And then also both add 28.609 and that is 9.07. The decimal should be in a line. 9 before the decimal, 9 we written, and now 0707. Both add first and then you will subtract. First add both 7 and 8 3 11 and decimal. Okay. And 4 3 7 and 1 8 and 6 plus 1 7. 78.17. Okay. And now these numbers 9 and 0 we can put after decimal, we can put 0. So 9 plus 0 9 and 0 plus 7 7 and 6 plus 0 6.8 and 9 17 and 2 plus 1 3. This one, when we added both negative numbers, we got this number. Okay. Now we have to subtract. Now both are negative numbers, so this becomes a negative. Also we can write here, this is the negative number, also this one negative. Minus and minus become plus, but the symbol become minus. You have to add both. Minus minus become plus, but the symbol become minus. Okay. Now both you have to subtract 78.17 and 37.679. Okay, there is nothing, we can put 0, and now we have to subtract. This is positive number and these are negative numbers. So we have to subtract. At last 10 minus 9, that is 1. Okay, and that is 16. 16 minus 7, 9. Okay, it becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Decimal, that is 7. It became 7. We had carried out. So 7 minus 7, 0. And it became 6. Oh, sorry, that is 7. Already 7 minus 3, 4. It is 40.491. Okay, this is the answer. It means you have to add all positive numbers and also both negative numbers or whatever negative numbers given. Okay, add separately and at last you have to subtract. Okay, I hope you got it. Now you can do all the questions yourself. Now I take one more question, that is 8 number. What should be added to this to get this one? The question said that there are two numbers. So what should we add to 78.9? What will you add here? Which number you will add to get 93.06? Okay. So which number you will add to get this one? I take one simple question. Suppose that in 3, which number you will add to get 10? In 3, which number you will add to get 10? That is 7. How? We subtracted, that is positive number, we took this side, it becomes 10 minus 3, 7. It means if we write 7 here, then the answer is correct. Okay, so we will take this number this side and subtract. So the answer is, suppose that there is x number, any number x. So how will you find x? To 93.06 and subtract here 78.90. That is nothing, means we can write 0 also. So now 6 minus 6 and it became 10. We carried out 1, that is 10 minus 9, 1, and now it became 2. We carried out 1, it became 12. 12 minus 8, 4, and now 8. 8 is left. 8 minus 7, that is 1. 14.16. If we add 14.16, it becomes this number. Okay, I hope you got it. This way you can solve the rest questions. Okay, you can add or you can subtract. Here you have to keep in mind that first change all the decimal into like decimals. Okay, like decimals place, and then you can add or subtract. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.